In this use case video, I will demonstrate DataSeer's ability to detect symbols and extract tag data from PDFs for data validation. QCing the data contained within diagrams against master asset registers can be time-consuming and error-prone when done manually. DataSeer leverages the power of machine learning and computer vision to expedite these processes to shorten data collection time and empower teams to deliver value-adding insights and services. For this exercise, I will demonstrate two validation scenarios. The first assumes the target tag data of interest is associated with symbols, so we will detect a given symbol first to validate the asset type is present on the diagram before extracting its associated tag data. The second scenario is purely a text extraction exercise, during which no symbols will be detected prior to data extraction. The two scenarios will be segmented within this video for easy referencing. To begin the validation exercise, I will name and upload my project to DataSeer. Once uploaded, I will choose a reference library to apply during autolabel. For this demonstration, I am specifically targeting the ID data associated with gate valves, so I will choose my custom gate valve symbol for my pre-existing template and click Process. Once autolabel has been completed, I can open my project and review the results of the initial labeling. As part of my data validation, I will check each detected gate valve using the attribute editor to ensure no false positives were mislabeled during the previous step. After ensuring the auto-labeled data is correct, I can search for the remaining unlabeled gate valves. These symbols are unlabeled due to not meeting the matching threshold I have set for this specific custom gate valve symbol. To search for these edge cases, I simply need to annotate a desired unlabeled valve, choose the breadth of my search, and categorize the symbol. DataSeer will now detect all unlabeled data within the scope of your search, and apply a confidence score to that symbol or pattern and display these symbols in descending order of the review window. All data captured in this window will be labeled and used as positive detection for the model's learning. A user can expose more or less symbols by using the threshold slider displayed at the top of the tool. Now that I have detected all the gate symbols within my project, I can search for the associated tag ID data for this data type. To do so, I navigate to the gate valve attribute editor and click on the Find Attributes button in its header. This will expose the Find Attributes modal. Using this tool, a user can choose the radius of search around a given symbol and input a regular expression pattern so the desired text is extracted from the diagram. In this instance, I'm telling DataSeer to only extract IDs that begin with the string HV. This will omit the instances where the gate valve is being controlled by an instrument, and the ID is contained within that associated symbol. Once extraction is completed, users are met with a review page where they can check the new values detected in the search. Here you may investigate the results of the extraction and choose to retain the old data using the radial buttons on the side of the columns. Clicking OK will move this data into the symbol's attribute editor. Upon reviewing the data, we can confirm we omitted the instances where the gate valve was being controlled by the instrument while capturing the targeted string in all other cases. This situation may be unique to my use case, but I hope it demonstrates the power of the Find Attributes tool. This will now conclude my first scenario of extracting tag data that requires symbol detection. I will now move on to our second scenario of text extraction. For this second scenario, I will forego showing the project configuration step as no symbols are being detected in this use case. Instead, I will open this project which contains electrical diagrams, and I will zoom in on the diagram for higher visibility of the data contained within. As you can see, the data contained on this page is represented as strings comprised of alphanumeric characters. Using DataSeer's label function, DataSeer can recognize the text embedded within a given space and export that as a singular data point. Additionally, DataSeer can accept a regular expression pattern and return all the matching strings on a given diagram. Potential matches will be presented for one-by-one approval, along with an option for a batch approval within the review modal. Extracted data can be edited within the review modal or the text object attribute editor itself. The data contained within the text object attribute editor can be exported in its entirety for validation against external data management systems or registries.